Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make videos about digital marketing and AI tech videos that help you online. In my last videos, I talked about AI that can help you to automate your task using N8N, and I've got another exciting one lined up for next week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss it. Today, I'm going to share something that has literally changed the way I manage multiple accounts online. Whether you're running several social media accounts, working on client projects, or just concerned about privacy, this tool has been a game changer for me. Stick around till the end because I will also share how you can get free proxies included. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried running multiple Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter accounts and ended up getting banned? Or maybe you've noticed how websites track your every move even when you're in incognito mode. It feels like you never really have control over your own privacy, right? That's where GoLogin comes in. It's not just a browser, it's a complete solution for staying anonymous online and managing multiple accounts without the headache. One of the first things I noticed with GoLogin is how it lets me open any website or content no matter where I am. No geo restrictions, no blocks. If you're working globally or handling clients in different countries, this is a huge advantage. Websites use something called fingerprinting. Even if you clear cookies or use a VPN, they can still track you based on your device, browser setup, fonts, and even your screen resolution. Creepy, right? Here's where it really gets powerful. Let's say you're running 5 Instagram accounts, 3 Facebook pages, and a couple of YouTube channels. Normally, logging in and out of each one is a nightmare, and it often triggers bans. With GoLogin, each profile is completely separate. Each one has its own cookies, fingerprints, and settings. It's like having multiple devices in one browser. This is a lifesaver for marketers, freelancers, or even just people who need personal and business accounts running side by side. If you're working in a team, GoLogin also lets you share browser profiles securely. That means you don't have to share passwords or accounts directly. Your teammate can just open the profile you give them and everything works smoothly. Perfect for agencies or remote teams. And the cherry on top, GoLogin gives you 2 gigabytes of free residential proxies. That's built right in. These proxies are fast, private, and reliable. So whether you're connecting from Europe, the US, or Asia, you always have a safe, stable connection. Normally, proxies cost extra, but here it's included for free. So, to sum it up, GoLogin helps you bypass restrictions, protect your privacy, run unlimited accounts, and work seamlessly with your team, all while giving you free proxies to get started. If that sounds useful, I'll leave a link down in the description for you to check it out. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe if you want more content like this. I've got a video coming up on affiliate website automation with AI free, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.